Okay, now we've made our bias to go around the edge. I've gone ahead and done this edge, and I've also put the handle on one side. So now we have to do the other side. Almost done. So what I'm going to do is, you're going to open this up so we can collapse it as much as possible, squish it down, and we're going to take our bias, and I'm not going to pin this all the way around. I'm just going to do it as I sew. Now I'm going to fold down, I don't know, ½ inch or so to start with. And I'm placing this right hand edge somewhere in the hinge section, okay? And I've folded that down so that when I get all the way around, I can lay the other one on the inside and give it a nice neat finish. Now you're going to do the same as we did before. We're going to just put this down, and because it's cut on the bias, you'll find that we can squish this down as we sew to get around the corner. And again, you want to use your skinny zipper foot. I'm using the HP, and we're going to stitch ideally on top of the previous row of stitching. So you're wanting to stitch about a ½ inch seam, which is kind of on this fold here. Might be a little bit more. It's a whisker more than a quarter, but that's okay. You can see the fold, so you can follow that around. So I'm going to go to the machine and show you how I get around the corner. And I'm taking this with me, stick a pin in it, fingers crossed we have enough. I'll see you at the machine. Okay, so I've got my HD foot on, and I'm just going to come along here. I'm keeping the edge of the foot to the edge of the fabric. Edge to edge. Now you can see here it starts to go around the corner, so I'm going to stitch up to there. Now if you want to, if you find it easier, you could clip about 3 clips about 1 centimetre apart or 1/4 inch apart. And I'm just going to keep everything squished down, keep the edge of my foot. I'm going to lower the stitch back down to 1.8 and then just slowly bend this around the corner. Just take your time. And you'll find with those little clips, let's push this down. So we're back on the straight. unwind a bit more tape. Now I could make my stitch a bit longer again. Okay, so I can see up to here, about where my finger is, about here. It's still straight. I'm going to stitch to there, and then I need to turn, so you can see the turn underneath. So I'm going to clip, clip and clip. Now I'm not clipping all the way up to that fold line, okay? We don't want to clip away where we need to stitch. So again, just a little bit at a time. Bring that stitch length back to 1.8. Turn a little more. Just about round. So I can make my stitch a bit longer again. So that's it. So I'll keep going round. When I get to the end, I'll just do about a 1/2 inch overlap, and we're good to go.